Good evening, students. Today, let us do the revision question of chapter 10, Nutrition. Let us see the progress check in 101, page 101. You see the first question, progress check, define the malnutrition. Define malnutrition. Here the answer is here. Malnutrition is the condition in which the person suffer due to lack of or deficiency of one or more essential elements of the food. ആവശ്യമുള്ള എലമെൻറ്റ്സ് ഒന്നും ഇല്ലാത്ത ഫുഡ് കഴിക്കുകയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിനെയാണ് മാൽന്യൂട്രീഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ദെൻ കാറ്റഗറൈസ് ദ ഫോളോയിങ് ഐറ്റം ഇൻ ടു കാർബോഹൈഡ്രേറ്റ് ആൻഡ് പ്രോട്ടീൻ. സെല്ലുലോസ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എ കാർബോഹൈഡ്രേറ്റ്. കാർബോഹൈഡ്രേറ്റ് എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ കാർബൺ, ഹൈഡ്രജൻ, ഓക്സിജൻ അങ്ങനെയുള്ള വസ്തുക്കളെയാണ് കാർബോഹൈഡ്രേറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സെല്ലുലോസ് ഈസ് എ കാർബോഹൈഡ്രേറ്റ്. We cannot digest the cellulose. Only the herbivorous animal has the ability to digest the cellulose. They get carbohydrate or they can make it into glucose. Carbohydrate. Then starch. Starch is also carbohydrate. Egg, albumin, it is a protein. Then milk. Milk is a protein. The pea. Pea is also protein. Glycogen. Glycogen is carbohydrate. You know that in the liver, glucose is converted into glycogen and stored in the liver. Glycogen is also carbohydrate. Cane sugar. Cane sugar is also carbohydrate. Then what is the approximate requirement of calories for the following? An adult physical laborer 3500 kilocalories. The table is here. From the table you can write it properly. An active child of about 6 years, that is also 1100 kilocalories. An adult woman at complete rest 1450. All the things are there in the table. From there you can write it. Then let us see the review question on page number 102. You see, which one of the following pairs of nutrient includes both as simple sugar or monosaccharides? Which pair? Sucrose and glucose. Sucrose is a double sugar, but glucose is a simple sugar. We have to know the pairs of nutrients. Here, the fructose and glucose is the answer. Both are simple sugar or monosaccharide. Then which one of the following is the correct matching of the nutrient material element and its one rich source? Which one of the following is the correct matching of the nutrient mineral element and its one rich source? Here only calcium potato, it is a wrong pair. Only the potassium is getting from the banana. That is the correct answer. Iodine, we must take either seafood or sea salt, etc. Pair it with dairy milk, it is false statement. Only this pair is the correct. Potassium we get from banana. Then marasmus is due to deficiency of carbohydrate, fat and protein. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D and E. Here B, D, E. This is the wrong answer because B is a water soluble. A, D, E is the correct combination. Fat soluble vitamin. Then which of the following is the best source of vitamin A? Carrot. Even though the apple containing the vitamin A, but carrot has more because it contains the orange color. Usually the plant pigments are vitamin A. So carrot is the best source of vitamin A. Then ascorbic acid is vitamin C. Vitamin C scientific name is ascorbic acid. Then mention whether the following statement are true or false. Cellulose in our food passes out undigested. True. Cellulose we cannot digest. So it passes out of the food as undigested. True. Kwashiorkor is a severe vitamin deficiency disease. Kwashiorkor protein deficiency disease ആണ്. The statement is false. Iron is required for the proper working of thyroid. False. Iron for creating the hemoglobin, use of iron. Thyroid need iodine. So it is the wrong answer. False. Then food protect us from disease and therefore Antibiotics which protect us from disease are also food. Antibiotics are not food. Food is always, if we take enough vitamin, minerals, etc., it can protect us from disease. But we cannot eat antibiotic instead of food. So it is a false statement. Then mineral salt contributes in regulating body process. That is a true statement. Name the mineral element that is needed for following respectively. Strong teeth, calcium is necessary. Proper working of thyroid, iodine. Synthesis of hemoglobin, iron. Then name the nutrient whose deficiencies cause the following diseases in human. Pernicious anemia, that is cobalt and vitamin B2. These two elements are needed for pernicious, to protect us from pernicious anemia. Second one, pellagra. Pellagra causing because of the B3. Vitamin B, one of the vitamin in B complex B3, its name is niacin. B3 is also, niacin is known as B3. Then night blindness, vitamin necessary is vitamin A. Goiter, it need iodine. Kwashiorkor is the disease caused by the protein deficiency. If we are not eating protein, the children get kwashiorkor. Then mark the odd one out of each of the following cases and name the category to which the other belong. Xerophthalmia, marasmus, pellagra, scurvy. Here the marasmus is the odd one. Category, they are marasmus is the odd one here. Xerophthalmia, pellagra and scurvy, they are vitamin deficiency diseases. Marasmus is the protein deficiency disease. Riboflavin, thiamine, folic acid, iodine. Here the odd one is iodine. The riboflavin, thiamine, folic acid, these are all vitamin in the B complex. B complex vitamin ഓരോന്നുമാണ് riboflavin, thiamine, folic acid എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്ന one of the vitamin in B complex. So you should write answer. ഓഡ് വൺ ഏതാണെന്ന് എഴുതണം. ഇത് കാറ്റഗറി, മറ്റതെല്ലാം കൂടെ വൈറ്റമിൻ ബി കോംപ്ലക്സിൽ ആണ് അതിൻ്റെ കാറ്റഗറി ഇനം. Then give 2 examples each of the following and their usefulness, if any, in our body. Monosaccharides, ഗ്ലൂക്കോസ്, ഫ്രക്ടോസ് ഒക്കെയാണ് മോണോസാക്രൈഡ്, അതായത് സിമ്പിൾ ഷുഗർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ദേ പ്രൊവൈഡ് അസ് എനർജി. ദെയർ ഡ്യൂട്ടി, അവൻ്റെ യൂസ്ഫുൾനെസ്, ഹൗ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് യൂസ്ഡ്, ദേ പ്രൊവൈഡ് എനർജി. ദെൻ ഡൈസാക്രൈഡ്, സുക്രോസ്, മാൾട്ടോസ് ഒക്കെ എക്സാമ്പിളാണ് ഡൈസാക്രൈഡ്സ്, ഡബിൾ ഷുഗർ. they also provide energy. Then polysaccharides എക്സാമ്പിളാണ് സെല്ലുലോസ്, ഗ്ലൈക്കോജൻ എക്സെട്ര. സോ then they are also giving, ഇപ്പോൾ cellulose, that is giving, that provide roughage for the movement through the intestine. They provide, cellulose provide roughage, glycogen can provide energy. Then define and give one example of balanced diet. Balanced diet, page 101, its definition is there. 101. Let us take 101, page 101. Here you can see the definition of balanced diet. A balanced diet is the one which contain all the principal constituent of food in proper quantity. This is the definition of balanced diet. Then one example is also asked here. Then rice with fish curry and salad. Rice, carbohydrate, and fish curry, fish can provide protein, and salad that contain vitamins and minerals inside it. Mineral, fish also contain calcium, phosphorus, etc. Salad that can give vitamin. So we can consider it as a balanced diet. Then doctor advises a born patient to include more of milk and milk products in his everyday food. Why so? A doctor advises a born patientiനാണ് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ മിൽക്ക് എന്തിനാണ് he is prescribing it for everyday Answer: milk is rich in calcium and phosphorus. So it is constituent of the bone. Milk, calcium and phosphorus is the needed thing for strong bone. So he is prescribing it. Then list 6 main purposes for which food is required by the body. As next section I shall take it.